how to identify potential trading ideas in Forex market and also in Bursa Malaysia. Hi, once again, everybody. Ezone Constantine right here, the founder of Quant Solution and the Ultimate Forex Program. Today, we are going to talk about the part number 5, how to identify the support and resistance in Forex market and also in Bursa Malaysia. Hello, everybody. For those who just joining me live right here, today again is going to be another interesting topic right here. It's going to be continuity on the previous chapter, which is the part number 4. Okay, in the part number 4, if you all remember, you learn about the psychology level. But today we're going to learn something different again. Okay, sekali lagi salam sejahtera kepada sesiapa yang baru saja join dengan Ezone untuk hari ini. Kita akan berbincang mengenai apakah potensi ataupun idea berdagang di sekitar kawasan support dan kawasan resisten. Dan kita juga akan sekali lagi untuk program hari ini kita akan tengok bagaimana kita ingin mengenali kawasan aras sokongan, kawasan aras rintangan dengan menggunakan Carta ataupun Graf. Alright, so let me have a look. How many of you actually just join me right here live? Right, we just start right here. Okay, and for those who just join me here, okay, I'm just watching you guys again. Go to the Facebook comment right here, okay, and type where are you listening me live, guys, right now. Okay, kepada sesiapa baru join dengan Ezone pada malam ni, okay, jangan lupa untuk komen dekat Facebook komen berita dengan Ezone. Manakah lokasi you all tengah dengar sekarang ni? Alright. Okay, so I'm excited today. Okay, let me have a look right here. I'm going to look. Okay, hold on. Now I'm going to share right here. Okay, so my team is probably ready already right now. Okay. Okay. All right. So we want to see how many of you actually live right here. All right. So I saw Crystal Ting say hi. Is Wandi Rico say hi. Okay, guys. Crystal, where are you listening me live right now? Is Wadi Rico? Yeah, very nice name. Ishwadi Rico. Where are you guys listening to me live right now? Okay. And as usual, guys, this is going to be another awesome episode. Okay. And very important today. If you found out that today, this program, like the previous chapter, if this program is really going to help you out right here, don't forget to give me a like right here. Okay. Don't forget to comment below right here. And guys, one simple button right here. If you guys see, yes, on your mobile phone right now, yes, there's one button right there, down there. There's a button share. Can you see? Try to find the button share. Yes, click that button. Okay. If you click that button share, click this to your Facebook timeline, you can remember this. Okay. Because once you share this into your timeline, you can refer back. Okay. Second thing is your friends can learn as well from you. Guys, this is a free content right here, but it's going to be very powerful. Trust me, guys, you're absolutely going to learn a lot today. Okay. Now, those who are using a laptop right here, there's a button right there. There. Yeah. There's a button there, share. Okay, click that button there and share to your Facebook timeline. Okay, sekali lagi kepada siapa yang join dengan saya Ezone untuk hari ini. Okay, jangan lupa give me like because I want to see right here. You give me some like. Okay, bagi saya Ezone button love. Okay, dan dekat bawah tu ada butang share kan? Tekan butang share dekat bawah tu kepada sesiapa yang tengok melalui mobile phone dan kepada sesiapa yang menggunakan desktop, dekat butang sebelah sini ni ada butang share. Share lah dekat you punya Facebook timeline untuk dua tujuan. Tujuan yang pertama, you boleh rujuk semula semua pembelajaran yang kita buat part 1 sampai part 5 lah untuk hari ini. Okay, yang kedua ialah rakan-rakan you all pun boleh belajar bersama. Okay, butang button share ni very simple. You just click less than 1 second is share. Alright, so let me have a look here. Wow, you guys so excited lah. Okay, let's see here. Mami Avin, good evening sir, good evening. Brandon, how are you Brandon? Ishwadi Riko tengah dengar from Melaka. Izar Najamuddin, how are you Izar? Wow, it's been some times. Okay, this I remember a few of my students here, right? Izar is learning stock market with me. Okay, brother Izar ni belajar trading saham. Tak silap saya lah, Izar. I think brother Izar kita jumpa dekat mana? I think kita jumpa dekat satu courses dulu. Saya Izar masih ingat. Right? Crystal Ting from Setia Alam, very good. Priska Lim, good evening sir. Good evening guys. All right. Zaizaz, Kelate bo. Kecek Kelate tau. Tapi saya belum pernah pergi Kelantan lagi lah. Kalau nak pergi Kelantan ni boleh juga. Sebab ni saya ni bila nak travel ni, kalau COVID-19 settle ni, saya nak pergi travel. Setiap you pergi negeri. Kelantan saya belum pergi lagi, tapi dengar kata kan, makanan dekat Kelantan sedap kan. Apa makanan yang best dekat Kelantan ni? Zai. Boleh share sikit. Alright, Mustaqim Mazuki. Hi Sifu. Mustaqim is another good trader also. Okay, Angelina Bungan, how are you? Sure from Miri kan? Mesti dengar daripada Miri ni kan? Okay guys, we are about to get start right here. So let me check the time. If we today I start a little bit early here because let me have a look here. Okay. So another few more minutes, I will get start right here because I just want to warm up first, okay, our class. But I want to recall back, okay? I want to recall back. Now, last week, some of you joined me, I think in the last Friday. You joined me, I talked about my program. I thought about my teaching. Now, I want to do a refresh back a bit, okay? I would like you to remember, what do you learn last week? Can you share with me? How many of you can hear me? All right. So I want you to share with me. Last Friday, at least tell me 2 things that you remember. Kepada sesiapa yang join kan, saya Ezone punya part number 4 kan. Boleh tak you share sedikit apa yang you belajar pada minggu lepas? 2 perkara sekurang-kurangnya. Ni I want to refresh you all. Okay, I'm reading the Facebook comment. Brother Zai, nasi kerabu. Oh, nasi kerabu dekat Kelantan mungkin sedap nak try jugalah. Kalau COVID-19 settle nak pergi Kelantan juga. Bolehlah ajar saya Ezone kecek latte. Kecek latte kan? I have my brother. He study in Kelantan for 5 years. I think ada nama sekolah tu ialah Maktab Sultan Ismail. Brother Zai, you tahu tak? Maktab Sultan Ismail. Ada abang saya lah. Abang saya belajar dekat situ 5 tahun dekat Kota Baru, Kelantan. Alright. Okay, so once again, everybody, good day and welcome right here to part number 5. Right here, again, we're going to talk about how to identify the support and resistance in both market, Forex and Bursa Malaysia. This time is going to be a bit different compared to the last week. Okay, hari ini kepada saya baru saja join dengan Sir Ezone pada hari ini. Sekali lagi, selamat datang ke bahagian yang kelima, cara untuk mengenali bahagian Aras Sokongan, Aras Rintangan, dalam melalui 2 pasaran ya, iaitu pasaran Forex dan juga pasaran Bursa Malaysia. Okay, those who just joined me, and I know some of you joined me last week, okay? 2 things. Remember, I want you to type on the Facebook comment 2 things. What do you learn at least? What did I taught you all? What did I share with you all on the previous chapter? Do you all still remember? One thing that I tell a bit different. How you identify the support and resistance. What did I do last chapter? How many of you remember? Okay. Kongsi dengan saya Ezone dekat Facebook comment kepada sesiapa yang join lah. Yang bagian yang keempat kan. Part yang keempat tu saya Ezone ada sebut sesuatu mengenai menggunakan satu idea. Okay. Untuk mengenali arah support dan resistance. Apa benda tu? Okay. Those who join me, right? I want to recall back. You see, if you become my student, I'm like this. I will ask you back. I ask you to recall back. I want you to remember back. Okay, this is your brain exercise or your brain memory. Okay, cuba ingat-ingat apa benda yang you belajar minggu lepas. Cara untuk mengenali satu teknik mengenali aras, sokongan dan rintangan dengan menggunakan apa tu? Okay, I'm reading dari Facebook comment. Umi, I'm reading Umi. Very good lah. You are very good Umi Muhammad Shahid, 1 banker price, okay, and then 6 type of breakout, resist and support. Very good. Bagus. Ini student bagus. Zaz, confirmation support price drop at support with high volume hammer. Zai sebut mengenai saham Okay. Muhammad Shahnaz, EMA 21 and EMA 50. Minggu lepas Ezone part keempat ada tak Ezone sebut mengenai EMA 21? Itu part yang ketiga ataupun part yang kedua. Tapi it's okay, it's good as well. Okay, EMA 21 and EMA 50. Okay, dan tambah satu lagi, brother Muhammad Shahnaz, EMA 200. Jangan lupa EMA 200. Okay, lagi. Siapa lagi yang masih ingat? Alright, kita belum start lagi. We about to start. Another 2 minutes. I'm let everybody welcome first. Saya nak pastikan semua student baru masuk dulu. Right? Okay, guys, don't forget right here, for those who just join us right here, don't forget to give Sir Ezone right here like. Give me a lot of button like. Do you see the button down below, right? Give me thumbs there. Give me a lot of like there and give me a lot of love. Let it rain in this Facebook comment. Okay, and again right here, for those who just joined us right here, don't forget to click share the button right here so that you can share this content right here to your Facebook timeline. The reason is you can refer back. Second reason is your friends can learn with you as well. Alright. Kepada sesiapa yang baru join dengan saya Ezone, bagi saya Ezone sikit button like. Okay, dan jangan lupa untuk share dekat bawah ni. Dan rakan-rakan, kita baru nak bermula. Saya Ezone nak bagi tahu you all sebab hari ni punya konten saya Ezone hanya cover sampai dekat 9.30 je. Okay, hopefully I can cover all this within 1 hour. Now, for those who have a friends, okay, for those who have friends in trading as well, if you think that this content is important for them, why not tag their name right here, right now, before we are about to get started? Tag their name right here because sometimes they might be missing out, right? So tag the name right here before we get started, okay? Kita nak start ni, okay? Kita nak start sekejap lagi. Kita nak start sekejap lagi. Jadi saya nak galakkan semua viewer hari ni, jika you ada rakan-rakan yang trading di pasaran Bursa Malaysia ataupun pasaran Forex ataupun yang baru saja nak belajar nak trading, apa kata you tag nama diorang, tag nama rakan-rakan yang nak trading je lah. Jangan you trading orang yang tak trading. You trading yang berminat nak trading. Okay. So tag nama-nama mereka sekarang ni dekat Facebook comment. Dan sebentar lagi saya Ezone akan bermula kita punya kelas hari ni. Alright. So let me have a look. Facebook comment right here. Umi Muhammad Syahid. Okay. 3. Tangkap long tail after formation candle complete. Very good. Sis Umi kan ni? Ataupun brother Umi? Umi lah. Okay, very, very good, right? So let me see right here. Okay. All right. So how many of you get ready for today's learning? Okay. So I'm about to start right now. I'm about to connect right here. So how many of you get ready right here? Again, for those who join my program as usual. How many of you already prepare your paper and your pen? Dah siapkan kertas dengan you punya pen? Every time you come to my program or come join my show right here, saya sentiasa galakkan you all ada pen dan kertas. You see, me, even though until today, I'm gonna have this all the time with me. Paper and pen. Okay? So how many of you get ready right here? Let's get ready to start our learning today. Okay, so last week we talked about psychology level. Okay, you talk about the banker's number, fund manager's number. You all can see what we do in the Forex market. Okay, you see that I do a bit different of a price quote between non-related Japanese yen. You can see a 4 decimal quote, all the numbers. And you also can see what happened to Japanese yen related. Okay, I also talk about the price in Bursa Malaysia. Okay, berapa ramai masih ingat psikologi yang saya Ezone sebut setiap level untuk pasaran Forex dan juga pasaran Bursa Malaysia. Okay, hari ini we are going to go for slightly deeper. Okay, are you ready or not? We're gonna go slightly deeper and we're gonna go a little bit technical, but this is where the meat is. Okay, now, guys, you prepare your pen and paper. Saya nak lukis ni. Alright. And to all my UFP Gold member and also for the basic plan, UFP Silver plan. Alright, today is just a refresh program. Okay, for my UFP Gold member here, this is easy peasy for you all. You all are more advanced than this, okay? But maybe you want to come right here just to refresh back, or maybe you miss me. I think so. Maybe you miss me. I miss you guys too. Okay, so let's get ready right here. Now, I want you to see here. Okay, saya Ezone nak start. I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna kick off right now. Oh, let me have a look. Where is my team viewer? Okay, all right. I got it here. Okay. Okay, so I want to see here. How many of you can see my whiteboard here? Can you guys see? If you guys can see my whiteboard here, okay, let me drag. Let me type something here. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Guys, can you see something here? Can you guys see my screen? If yes, just type there. I'm writing one capital letter here. I'm not sure if you guys can see. If you guys can see, just say yes, sir. I can see. All right. I want to see first. Okay. Now we want to go this, and I want to let you all know, especially for those who really, really want to trade in the market, right? You need to get this concept right. And today is the day, especially newbie trader, you need to get this thing right. Siapa yang masih newbie dalam trading, saya Ezone nak pastikan you all, you faham Boleh nampak yes, okay, alright, good. Okay, now I want to share with all of you first. Okay, and now in trading, you all know right? When we look at the chart here, there's always a x-axis and y-axis. Okay, bila you tengok carta ni ada kawasan x dan kawasan y. Okay, biasanya lah bila you tengok carta kan, bawah ni sentiasa, what is that? Time and date. Yeah, so underneath here is period. Bila you tengok carta ni, dekat bawah ni sentiasa you tengok paksi yang bawah ni, yang melintang ni ialah untuk period, jangka masa time ataupun jangka masa 1 jam, 2 jam ataupun kalender ataupun tarikh ya. Manakala yang sebelah kanan ni ialah price movement. Okay, price quote. Okay. Normally sebelah kanan ialah sebut harga. Okay, price quote. Okay, tak kira lah forex ke ataupun saham, right? Now on your chart here, always on the right hand side is always your what? Price quote. Okay, the price scale. Okay. Now another thing is always on the left side here is the instrument. Okay, if you're trading forex, you will see it's a forex pair. If you're trading stock, the stock name will be appear normally on the left hand side. Okay, so this is the basic part first. Now next thing is I want you all to get this idea first. When every time you look on your charts, okay, every time you look on your charts, give me a moment, guys. Okay, now every time you look on your charts, okay, now in the forex market, okay, there is a time frame. Okay, there is a time frame. Now, time frame is divided by when you look at the on the chart, right? You can look at the chart is on monthly basis, you can look it on the weekly basis, and you can look it on the daily basis. Okay, dalam saham untuk carta forex, you akan tengok time frame yang diberikan ialah untuk secara bulanan, monthly, weekly ialah mingguan, daily ialah harian. Okay, bermaksud satu batang lilin candle ni, bila you nampak satu batang lilin ni di time frame monthly, bermaksud satu candle ni mewakili satu bulan. Okay, manakala untuk satu batang lilin yang you nampak dekat carta ni, bila you masuk time frame weekly, bermaksud satu candle ni mewakili satu minggu. Manakala untuk yang daily, satu candle tu mewakili satu hari. You kena faham dulu ni ya. Every time that you look at the price movement, especially in forex market, you need to understand the time frame first. Okay, we have monthly, we have weekly, we have daily, we have H4. Okay, H4 is mean one candle will be formed 4 hours. Okay, H4 bermaksud satu batang lilin ni perlu complete dalam tempoh 4 jam. Bermaksud satu batang lilin ni mewakili 4 jam punya period. Okay, sekejap lagi saya akan share with you all. Okay, and then we have H1. Okay, satu candle mewakili 1 jam. Lepas tu kita ada apa tu? M30, okay, M15, M5, and the last one is M1. Okay, now I'm about to show you all first the chart right here. Give me a moment. I want to show you the example first. Okay, now this is very important. You need to get this concept right. If you don't get this concept right, I think that you're gonna have problem in trading. Sebagai seorang trader, you kena faham bila you baca you punya carta ada beza time frame. Okay, ada beza dia punya time frame. Okay, so saya nak bagi contoh kejap. Saya nak bagi contoh dulu. Right. And for those who just joined right here, we just get started right here on the part number 5 right here. Okay, so can you guys see my screen? Let me have a look. Okay, now this is my MT4 charts. Okay, doesn't matter what platform that you use. Okay, this is the basic chart right here. Now I want you all to pay attention. There's a section right here. If you guys can see, this is all the time frame above. How many of you can see? Okay, this is the time frame. Okay, I want you to all get this idea first. If I click this one, MN means monthly. Okay, monthly means one of this candle here, in order for it to complete, you need to take 1 month. So that's mean whatever price color that you see here, one candle here, if I zoom in a little bit, right? Okay, you see one candle here, in order for it to complete from the top until to the bottom here, it took 1 month to complete. Okay, another candle right here is gonna take another 1 month to complete. So you watching right here is from the biggest time frame, as if like you have a drone. Now you're not looking from the sky. This time you look from the moon or you look from the galaxy view. Okay, from very far. All right. So this is a monthly view. I want you to all get this idea. Okay. Kepada sesiapa yang masih newbie ni kan, saya Ezone nak share sikit dekat you punya carta ni. Bila you tengok dekat atas ni ada time frame. Siapa boleh nampak ni? Okay. Time frame. So dekat atas ni, time frame ni, MN ni, satu candle ni untuk dia nak habis complete, nak bentuk satu batang lili macam ni, memerlukan 1 bulan. Okay, another candle, 1 bulan. Satu lagi candle, 1 bulan. Sebulan. Right? Now, if you change your time frame to W, means weekly, means, means from the bigger candle, again, from this monthly candle, okay, it'll be divided into a smaller one. Okay, let me ask you one question lah, okay? Now, if you see this one, this is one whole candle right now is about to complete. Now today is November already. So it's almost complete towards end of the month. Now, if one week, if this is a 1 month candle, if I turn it into weekly candle, my question to you all, in 1 month have how many weeks? That's my question. Okay. Dalam carta mingguan ni, dalam carta sebulan ni, satu batang lilin mewakili sebulan. Tapi soalan saya Ezone ialah, saya nak tanyalah kalau kita nak tukar pergi ke carta mingguan. Tapi sebelum tu saya nak tanya you all. Dalam sebulan ada berapa minggu? In 1 month have how many weeks? Let's begin with this idea first. Okay. Let's begin with this idea first. Yes. 4 weeks. Okay, very good. Okay, so 4 weeks. So that means if I put this time frame right here into a weekly, it's gonna take about 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 candle here is going to combine later on to complete the 1 month. Okay, later on I will share with you why you need to see from different time frame. But I want you to get the idea first. Okay, you all, yeah, I can see, right? Okay, now I'm going to share with you first a little bit the concept. Okay, get this concept right first, huh? Okay, get this concept right. Hold on, give me a moment. Where is it? Okay, so I'm gonna draw a new one. I'm gonna draw a new one here. Okay, so now let's assume that this is a monthly candle. Okay, and then say for example that is a long green candle like this. Okay, how many of you can see? Right. So this is 1 month candle. Okay, now if I turn this into a weekly candle, okay, my question is how many candle that need to take to form this? Okay, if I put this one marking here, okay, one marking here, okay, the low here. So if we cut this candle, okay, if we cut this candle into weekly, you expecting is going to have a 4 candles later on inside 1 month. Okay. Now bila saya Ezone tunjuk macam ni, monthly candle kan, candle 1 bulan macam ni. Bila you tukar pergi time frame weekly, bermaksud soalan dia ialah berapa batang candle ataupun berapa batang lilin yang diperlukan untuk membentuk satu batang lilin sebulan. Okay. So jawapan dia ialah 4. So contoh, maybe dalam seminggu tu bentuk carta tu mungkin macam ni. 1 minggu macam ni sikit. Kadang-kadang dia macam ni sikit. Okay. Kadang-kadang dia macam ni sikit. Okay. Dan kadang-kadang dia macam ni pun boleh. Okay. So if you compress this, put this all candle together, later on it will still become this shape. Okay, what I'm saying here is, yes, you can cut this candle into small pieces. Okay, you boleh potong candle ni menjadi secebis kecil-kecil. Tapi untuk cebisan kecil-kecil ni perlu tepat lah. You perlukan 4 candle, okay, 4 batang lilin. Sorry, yeah. Okay, so you perlukan 4 candle ni. Bila you gabung 4 candle ni, you boleh bentuk 1 bulan punya candle. Alright. So, I want you all get this idea first. Okay, up to this point right here. Okay, berapa ramai yang faham? Just type at the Facebook comment, yes sir, I understand. Get this concept first right, I don't want to talk about it first. I want you to get this time frame correct first. Okay. 4 batang candle ni jika you gabungkan, dia akan jadi 1 batang lilin untuk sebulan. Berapa ramai faham? Untuk setakat ni dulu. Weekly dengan monthly. Yes, betul. You boleh potong candle sebulan ni menjadi cebisan kecil-kecil dalam carta mingguan. Okay, berapa ramai faham? If you you understand? You understand? Okay. Type in the Facebook comment. I must make sure that you all get this. Okay. To my UFP Gold member, this one is module 3. Yes, Budiman just mentioned. Okay, Budi is module number 3. Okay, Umi Muhammad Shah say open price and close price within weekly become one monthly candle. Yes, open price and close price within 4 weeks. Okay, I want to correct you a little bit, Umi. I want to add in a little bit. Within 4 weeks can become 1 month candle. Okay, got it? Now, I'm going to change here. Instead of weekly, I want to change it into, I want to change it into, Okay, I want to change it into daily. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the candle here. Okay, I'm going to take one of this candle here from weekly. I want to cut this into small pieces. Okay, I want to cut one candle from weekly here into small pieces on the daily. My question is, on the active trading days, okay, how many days that we have in 1 week? Okay, if I want to cut this 1 week candle into a daily, how many candles that we can get right here in the daily? How many we can get in daily to represent 1 week? Okay, bila saya Ezone nak ambil 1 minggu punya batang lilin ni kan, saya Ezone nak pecahkan dia lagi kepada carta harian. Agak-agak ada berapa candle yang boleh dibentuk untuk mewakili seminggu? What is the answer? Okay. No. I'm not talking about 4 weeks. I talk about 1 week only. Okay. Assume is 1 week only. I'm not talking about 4 weeks. Okay. I know some of you get it. Okay. Yeah. So yes, 5. Okay. Why 5? Because the answer is only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday, tutup kedai. Is closed. Okay. So that's why if I'm gonna take one candle here, so I'm gonna take one of this candle here. Okay. Hold on, give me a moment, guys. All right. Okay. So if I take one of the candle here, it maybe take about same again. If you take the height here and the low here, it's gonna take about roughly maybe another 5 more candle here. Okay, to form. Okay, maybe something like this. All right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need 5 candles here. Sorry, you need to have 5 candles. Okay, to form 1 week. Okay, so you perlukan 5 batang lilin ni untuk mewakili 1 minggu. So bermaksud bila you gabungkan, okay, 5 lilin ni akan membentuk 1 minggu. Alright, get this idea correct, Fazah. 5 batang lilin, bila you gabung, boleh jadi seminggu. 4 batang lilin, okay, 4 batang lilin boleh menjadi sebulan. So far so good? Clear? Now, let's go into another level here. Okay, let's go to another level here. Assume that this is daily. Sorry. Okay, assume this is a daily chart. Now you see got one long candle here representing 1 day. Now, if I turn this into H4, sorry, okay, H4 chart. Okay, now my question is, within 1 day, we have a 24 hours, correct? My question is, how many candles, okay, we can get within H4? Okay, if you 24, you divide by 4. How many candles that we can get to form a daily chart? Okay, soalan saya ialah bila satu hari ni, satu batang lilin ni ialah daily chart ni, satu candle kan? Okay, dalam satu hari ada 24 jam. Tapi contoh jika satu batang lilin tu mewakili 4 jam, agak-agak ada berapa batang lilin yang diperlukan untuk lengkap 24 jam? Roughly how many? How many candles? 6. Yes. So you need about 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, so you need about 6 candle here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so you need 6 candle here to form. 1 candle, maybe 2 candle, okay, 3 candle, okay, 4 candle, 5 candle, and 6 candle. It can be that shape. Okay, you perlukan 6 batang lilin. Okay, boleh. Okay, so you get it right, right? 6, eh? Now, my next question. Contoh satu batang lilin ni ialah 4 jam. Now, I want you to break this, okay? Saya nak you pecahkan lagi dalam setiap 1 jam, 4 jam candle ni, if you change to H1. One H4 candle, if you break it into H1, you can get how many candle in H1? You need how many candles in H4? You need how many candle in H1 to form one candle in H4? You perlukan berapa banyak batang lilin dalam H1 untuk mewakili satu batang lilin di H4? Soalan dia tu. Okay? Get this one right first. Okay? Now, if you get this concept right, oh, I gotta tell you, you all right. You are awesome beginner. You are awesome starter. Okay? Zai 24. Advance sangat tu. Yes. So you need about, okay, maybe one of these candle here, you need about, you need about 4. Okay, you need about 4 candle here. Okay, you need 4 candle here in H1 to form 1 candle in H4. Okay, very good. Okay, so far so good. Dalam untuk H1, you perlukan 4 batang lilin dalam H1 untuk membentuk satu batang lilin di H4 punya time frame. Okay, now what we're going to do, let's zoom again a little bit more here. H1, 1 candle represent 1 hour. If we cut this candle here into 30-minute time frame, it took how many candle to form 1 candle in H1? Berapakah batang lilin yang diperlukan dalam carta M30 minit untuk mewakili satu batang lilin? Alright. Alright. So, how many? M30 minute, 30 minit. How many candles you can combine together in order for you to get 1 hour? Berapa? How many we get? How many candles that you need? Yes, 2. Correct. So you need about 2 candle here. If you combine together, you can get 1 hour time frame. Okay. Now let's go again into details. Okay. I think you all get the idea already. If we take about M30 and then we have M15 and then we have a M5 and then we have a M1. Let's begin right here. 1 candle in M30. It took how many candle here in M15 to form 1 candle in M30? Okay, ada berapa banyak candle dalam M15 untuk membentuk satu candle di M30? How many unit? Yes, correct. You got 2. Okay, you need about 2 candle here to form in order for you to get 1. Now, if you take again, okay, if you take another 1 more, if you take 1 candle here in M15, you take 1 candle here in M15. It took how many candles here in M5? Okay, in M5 to form 1 candle in M15. Berapa banyak batang lilin dalam carta 5 minit diperlukan untuk bentuk satu batang lilin dekat M15? So what is the answer, guys? This one is going to be a little bit tricky, but not that really. So how many candles is going to take in M5 in order to form 1 candle in 15s? Okay, good. Okay, it took about 3. This one you all know, simple mathematics. Okay, 5 minit campur 5 minit campur 5 minit, dapatlah 15 minit. If you take 15 minutes plus 15 minutes, you combine become 30 minutes. Okay, so now if I take one candle here from M5, it took how many candles in M1 to form M5? Berapa banyak batang lilin yang diperlukan di M1 untuk membentuk satu batang lilin di M5? Alright. Okay, get this concept right first. How many? Berapa banyak? All right, you guys are awesome. Seriously, you guys are really, really awesome. So it took about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it took about 5 candles here. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, so it took about 5 candles here to form M5. Okay, now you all get this concept right here, right? Okay, how many of you clear here? If you clear, just type there in the Facebook comment. Yes, sir, it's clear. Okay, berapa orang memang yang faham dahulu? Okay, setiap candle ni memang betul lah. You boleh potong dia jadi kecil-kecil. Bila you tengok setiap time frame tu, you boleh potong lagi kecil. Okay, berapa ramai clear? If you clear, just type at the Facebook comment. Clear, sir. Okay, type at the Facebook comment. Clear. Okay, you dapat konsep ni dengan betul. I gotta tell you guys, right? You are awesome starter. You are awesome beginner. Okay, to all my UFP Gold member, this one is easy peasy for you. This is just refresh course for you. Okay, kepada semua student Ezone yang UFP Gold, okay, ataupun UFP Silver, ini memang basic untuk you all lah. Alright, so clear? Bob Azam say clear. Alfian Sofian say clear, sir. Suzan Yap say yes, sir, clear. Shahizatul say clear, sir. Crystal, yes, sir, clear, sir. All right. Okay. You know why? You know why is the reason why I say that you need to look at the big time frame. Okay. Now, say for example, is weekly. Sorry. Okay. So we have a weekly. No. I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. Okay. So we have a weekly. Okay. I'm gonna write it one more time. Weekly. Okay. And then we have a monthly, and then we have a week. Sorry. We have a daily. Okay, sorry, weekly, monthly pula. Sorry. No. Monthly. Monthly. We have weekly. We have daily. And then we have H4. We have a H1. Okay, M30, M15, and so on. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm too excited. So it's changes. Okay, terlalu excited sampai terbalik. Okay, now I want to ask you all three questions here. If I ask you to view something, okay, either from high, okay, this is what we call higher. This is high time frame because it's too big. And then if you go across the other side, this is what we call the low time frame. Okay, all right. So I think some of you are gonna see. Okay, on the left side here, this is all we call it the high time frame. As we go to the other side here, this is what we call the low time frame. Okay, but on your chart, it's not gonna be like this, huh? Okay, hold on. I think on your chart, okay, on your chart, the proper one is like this. Weekly is going to be, sorry, monthly is going to be this side. Okay, monthly is the most right hand side, and then they're gonna start with weekly. Okay, and then we have monthly. Okay, we have sorry, monthly pula. Daily. Okay, sorry, daily. Okay, daily. Sorry, daily. All right. Okay, and then we have H4, and then we have H1, and then we have M30, and so on. Okay, now always on the right hand side, this is what we call higher time frame. If you go this side here, this is what we call lower time frame. Okay, lower time frame. Okay, ke arah kanan, time frame yang lebih besar, ataupun kita sebut jangka masa yang lebih besar atau jangka masa yang lebih panjang. Di sebelah kiri pula ialah jangka masa yang lebih pendek ataupun singkat. Okay, now you all get this correct? Clear first, huh? When I mention about higher time frame, means I talk about from very, very big time frame. Okay, if I talk about lower time frame, it's very, very small. Okay, you need to get this idea. So next time, I don't want you to be confused. If I say, okay, guys, look at the higher time frame, so you all know basically this is gonna be very, very big time frame. If I say low time frame, very, very small time frame. Okay, now you all get this clear? Okay, Abdul, how do you say? Hello, sir. Selamat malam. Okay, guys, awesome. So you just joined, right? Okay, so higher time frame, lower time frame. My question first. Do you think if you do support and resistance, okay, if you want to identify support and resistance, if you do marking support and resistance on the monthly chart versus you do support and resistance in M30 minute, okay, or 30-minute charts, which one is solid? Higher time frame or lower time frame? Soalan saya Ezone ialah jika you buat marking ataupun zone support dan resistance di carta sebulan atau carta bulanan berbanding dengan you buat support resistance di carta 30 minit. Carta mana support resistance yang manakah satu yang lebih solid? Yang time frame yang lebih besar ataupun time frame yang lebih kecil? Which one is more solid? Get this idea first. Apakah time frame yang lebih solid jika dan hanya jika you buat marking support and resistance? Adakah jawapan dia time frame yang lebih tinggi ataupun jawapan dia time frame yang lebih rendah? Which one? Alright, doesn't matter lah. Daily, weekly. So always the question is which one is more solid? Okay, so that is the reason. That's the reason you all need to mark first from the higher time frame. The answer is correct. Okay, good job, everybody. I can see here. Okay, on the Facebook comment, I can see here. Budiman say daily. Okay, Angelina say higher time frame, higher time frame, higher time frame. Okay, higher time frame is true. Okay, now it's just like your family. Okay, you have your grandfather. Okay, and then after that you have your father. Okay, and then after that you have the son. Okay, and then the son maybe got another small little baby. Okay, so in the family hierarchy, there's always say that you respect the eldest first. Macam you punya family lah, you ada atuk yang paling senior, paling tua lah. Kemudian ada bapa, muda sikit lah. Lepas tu ada anak. Mungkin anak ni punya dah kahwin, dah ada cucu. Anak kecil. So the always say is always respect the higher time frame. Okay, respect the higher time frame. Bermaksud cucu kecil kena dengar bapa. Bapa pula kena dengar bapa dia. Bapa dia kena dengar atuk dia. Right? So this is the hierarchy. You have to respect the grandfather time frame first. Okay? And then followed by the father time frame. Okay? So it's the same. Right? So the answer is higher time frame. Okay? So you all get this clear? Clear? If clear, just type at the Facebook comment. Clear, sir. Okay? If you get this clear, then we are about to go for the spotting of the support and resistance. Okay? Support and resistance. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys again the time frame here. If clear, at the Facebook comment, clear. Right, for those who just joined us right here, once again, everybody, this is the part number 5. I saw some of you right here just joining me right here. Yes, we already get started right here. And don't forget to give me some like right here. Don't forget to give me some love button right here. And don't forget, guys, there's a button share right here. If you found out that this program right here is really benefit you, why not share on your timeline or share on your Facebook so that you can refer back in your future or your friends can join as well. Okay, so Ezone baru tengok ramai yang baru join Ezone pada malam ni. Okay, so jangan lupa tekan button like, tekan button love dan jangan lupa tekan button share. Jika you dapat belajar banyak untuk malam ni, apa kata you tekan butang share? Senang je kan, tekan butang share supaya you boleh refer semula dan rakan-rakan you pun boleh belajar sesuatu. Alright, so let's begin right here. Let's talk about this one dot here. Okay, I do one dot here. This is what we call the current price. Okay, current price. Okay, current price ataupun harga semasa. Okay, how many of you can see my chart here? I put current price. Okay, maybe this is not clear. Okay, I think I'm going to type it lah. Okay, sometime okay, so I put here current price. Okay, ataupun harga semasa. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to place it. Sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So, how many of you can see, right? Hey guys, is it okay? Let's all of us congratulate brother Abdul Hadi. Today he make profit another 89 US dollar. Good job, brother Hadi. Which currency pair is that? Mari kita bagi ucapan tahniah dulu kepada student saya Zon, brother Abdul Hadi dia buat 89 US dollar. Tahniah syabas. 89 dolar ni darab dengan ringgit. 90 darab lebih kurang 4. Berapa you dapat? Almost 400 ringgit kan? Alright. Boleh tak kita congratulate dulu kita punya student? 89 US dollar. Right guys, those who making profit today. Okay, last week I share with you some of my student, right? Oh, they make a very very good profit. Brother Gandat make about I think yes 200 plus so almost 1,000 ringgit. And you do gold spot brother Abdadi. Okay, very good. Okay, so I want you all pay attention first. Good. This is one thing I love my student progress. Tanya, good. I love it. Okay. How many of you would like to know the tips how to draw correctly the support and resistance? Type at the Facebook comment. Sir, give me a tips. Siapa nak tips? I want to give you tips this. Berapa ramai nak tips? Berapa ramai nak tips? Cara nak buat betul-betul Aras support dan resistance. Siapa tulis, yes sir, give me a tip. I give you tips lah. Siapa tak nak tips, it's okay lah. I just straight away continue my basic teaching. Okay, siapa nak tips? Oh, I can see here, you guys really awesome. I can see you guys congratulate, right? Yeah, awesome, right? Okay, siapa nak tips? Cara nak buat? In this one, you kena ingat, you need to remember this to the rest of your life. Okay, to the rest of your life. You memang kena ingat ni sampai bila-bila Alright, so good. So, this is the tips. This is the tip. Always look to your left. Tips dia ialah sentiasa lihat sebelah kiri carta. That is the tips. Kenapa nak tengok kiri carta? Ni sekejap lagi saya nak explain. Always look to the left. Okay. Now, let's begin right here with this current price. Okay, let's begin with this current price right here. Now, first of all, your eyes need to see what is the current price right now doing. Okay, identify right now. The moment you open your chart, okay, look, where's the price right now? Okay, if I give you example, if I open the chart right now, okay, see, if I give you example, I say current price. What does it mean by current price? Okay, if I change this chart into H1. Okay, now, how many of you can see my chart here? Okay, this is a chart of, okay, man, I give you Euro US dollar. Okay, now, how many of you can see here? This is the line right here. You guys can see there's a horizontal line here. Now the price is actually moving. Right now, this price is actually moving. Now, as you can see or not, the current price is doing like this, going up and going down. How many of you can see my chart right now? Okay, this is a H1 chart. If you can see there's a horizontal line, this means this is the current price right now is moving. Okay, berapa lama dapat tengok carta saya Ezone? Sekarang ni ialah carta H1. You nampak sekarang ni, inilah pergerakan harga sekarang. I'm talking about inilah harga semasa. This one, now the price is moving. Okay, now the price is moving. Okay, let me share with you another one more tips. The more you go to the lower time frame, okay, you see here, you see H1 the chart, you see the price movement is like not so obvious, okay, because the time frame is quite big. Okay, now if you go to M30 minute, okay, you try to see this price movement here. Look the price movement first. I don't ask you to do anything. I just want you to observe this price shape, either moving up or down. Okay, see whether it's obvious or not. Okay, bila you tengok pergerakan di time frame yang lebih tinggi, saya nak tengok you lihat harga semasa ni, tengok dia punya pergerakan. You tengok mana yang lebih ketara, mana yang lebih sensitif. Okay, soalan dia ialah mana lebih sensitif. Which time frame will be sensitive when you see the price movement? Okay, now look at F50 minutes. Okay, nah. Okay, this is the current price. Okay, now whatever you see, this when I'm talking about current price, mean the price right now is moving. Okay, now I go to M15. Okay, look, just observe first, M15. Okay, now I'm gonna go M1. See the price movement here in M1. Okay, how do you can see? So the question is, which time frame that the moment you open the chart, which time frame that you can see the price is sensitive in movement? Is it the most lowest time frame or the biggest time frame? Okay, persoalan Ezone nak tanya ialah bila you buka carta, manakah pergerakan harga yang lebih sensitif? Adakah carta yang time frame yang lebih singkat ataupun time frame yang lebih tinggi? Okay, now you guys see here, this is Euro US dollar in M1. Okay, in M1 chart, you can see or not? This is the real current price movement. You guys can see right now. Okay, this is a live chart. Yeah, how many you can see? Okay, so my question is, which one is more sensitive? Okay, yes, the lowest. Okay, that's why scalper, yes, they look at lower time frame like M15, M5. Sometimes they can scalp up into M1. But normally I share with you all, newbie, wow, this is like this. They're so excited at the first stage. They see the price move up and down. Wow, dia pun ikut shock naik turun like that. If the price go up or down, if say for example they're long, wow, if the price go up, they are so excited. If the price go down also, they're so excited. This is very normal for all those newbie in trading. This is what make your heart pump up and down, up and down. Okay, newbie ni biasanya bila tengok time frame lebih kecil ni excited sangat. Tengok harga naik turun kan, cepat kan. Bila dia buy pun dia pun excited. Turun pun dia pun excited. Ni memang normal untuk semua newbie. Okay, terutamanya scalper, dia suka time frame yang lebih kecil. Alright, so you understand, right? This is the price movement. Now, if I go to the daily chart here, okay, I go to the daily chart and I show you guys this. Can you see the price as if moving or not? As if alive or not? Or as if like daily charts, I don't think like I don't see anything movement. How many we can see that? Daily chart as if like macam tak nampak apa-apa pun yang bergerak. Why? Because daily chart it take time. Slowly. It took how many time? It took how long to generate one candle here? It took 24 hours, my brother, sister. Mau 1 hari, mau 24 jam barulah. But that's why this is what you see is very, very slow. Okay. Now, what I want to share with all of you is when every time you look at the current price, always look to your left. From the current price, always look to your left. What is the nearest support and resistance first? Okay, on your left. Okay, bila saya Ezone sebut dari harga semasa ni, tengok sebelah kiri. Itu dia punya tips. Macam mana nak buat support resistance, sentiasa rujuk sebelah kiri. Rujuk sebelah kiri, kawasan mana yang mempunyai support dan resistance yang kuat. Okay, so let me show you here first. Okay, I share with you guys one more time on this picture here. Okay, now, get this concept first, right? Okay, get this concept correct first. So assume for the current price, this is the current price right now. Okay, always look to your left. Now, there's a difference between significant and non-significant. Okay, significant and non-significant. Okay, or strong or weak area. Okay, strong or weak. Now, say for example, if you reverse back, right? If you look to the left, say for example, the price move like this. Okay. Okay. Never mind, I don't need one. Okay. All right. So assume this is your current price right now. You look. Okay. Current. Okay. Current price. Okay. Current price, harga semasa. Okay. Now, when you look to the left, assume this is the point of the current price right now. Okay. I want to ask you all a few questions first. Okay, like this. I have a quiz for you all, right? A, B, C, D. Okay. I have A, B, C, D level. Okay. I have A, B, C, D level. Now, first, if you want to identify the resistance, there's always two types of idea you need to see. Okay. Now, before I talk about resistance, my question is, if you look to your left, okay, you look to your left right here, okay, between point A and point B. Okay, saya nak you all perhatikan titik A dan titik B. Titik mana yang you rasa lebih kuat dan lebih ketara ataupun lebih signifikan? Okay, if I ask you to look at the point A and the point B, which one you see that is a very strong reverse point? Okay, or the strongest achieved to the highest level? Is it the point A or the point B? Mana you nampak titik reversal ataupun titik lantunan yang lebih kuat? Adakah titik A ataupun titik B? Which one yang nampak sangat ketara dan kuat? Which one look like very solid and strong? Is it A or is it B? Relax, guys. I'm not talking about confluence yet, right? Relax, guys. I'm talking about B. B. Are you sure B? B, why? Because everybody say B, you also join B. Mana satu titik lantunan yang you rasa memang sangat ketara dan kuat? Yang kita sebut sebagai significant, solid and strong. Guys, I have not talked about confluence yet. Relax. Relax. I'm talking about which one that you see very solid. Okay, you all ready? The answer is ching 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 ching. The answer is A. A is the answer. How many of you get correct? Just type there. Yes, sir, I get correct. Those who get B, cuba lagi. Okay, answer is A. A is more significant. You see the price go up here. Okay, zoom down. Do you see this movement or not? Like a very strong V reverse. Okay, this is what we call significant reverse. Automatically, this point A here can become a strong resistance because it's significant. Guys, only point A and point B. I'm not talking about the point D or C. Not yet. Only point B and point A first. Okay. Manakah titik lantunan yang lebih signifikan, yang nampak ketara sangat? Jawapan dia ialah A. A sangat ketara sebab kenapa? Nampak tak? Dia naik dulu, lepas tu dia pop, dia reverse kuat. Dia terus turun ke bawah. Ini menunjukkan ada tekanan penjualan. Terlalu kuat rejection. Okay. This is showing that if you see there's a very sharp going up and then drop like this is what we call a significant reverse. Means this idea of psychology means a strong seller here. There's strong pressure around in this area. So that's why this is the area that they call resistant. They resist it to go down. Okay. So point A is more significant. Okay. Point A is more significant, automatically can become your resistance. You got the idea or not? Okay, guys, those who try, even though you said the answer is B, okay, even though the answer is half correct, it's almost correct. I'm more excited about those who is trying. Okay, those who trying, I would like to congratulate you. Yang mencuba, walaupun you jawapan tak betul, tapi you jawab B, tapi you mencuba untuk jawab, you are the best person right here. Why? At least you try. In life, you all understand or not? It's okay to make mistake. Okay, admit that and you learn, rather than you not trying at all. Tak mencuba lagi teruk. Saya Ezone lagi suka tengok siapa yang mencuba. Mencuba adalah lebih baik daripada tak cuba langsung. How many of you agree with me? Yes or no? In life, guys, make mistake. Open and make mistake. You have to be honest to yourself. If you make mistake, you remember next time you improve it, rather than somebody they don't want to try at all. Why? They are too smart. They know everything. Or maybe they don't want to make a mistake. They say, ha ha, you make a mistake. Aha, you wrong. This kind of person will never grow, right? So the answer is point A can become a significant resistance. Now, my next question is, can B become a resistance as well? Okay, now my question is, can the point B can become a resistance as well? Bolehkah point B menjadi resistance juga? Itu soalan saya. Okay, so Ezone, tonight, this is my question to all of you. Can the point B also can be a resistance? Yes, okay. The only thing is maybe a little bit tiny here. Okay, a little bit tiny here. Okay, now your duty as a trader is always look at the current price and try to find nearest this radius first. Which one is the nearest significant resistance? Okay, I'm not talking about level of coincide and confluence. Yeah, I'm talking about understand this basic first. As a trader, look at the current price automatically within the nearest radius here. Find and do a marking which level is the strongest significant resistance and a weak resistance. Strong resistance, weak resistance. Okay, strong resistance, weak resistance. Okay, now next question to all of you: which one is the strongest support? Okay, which one is the strongest support? A, B, C, D, E. Okay, which one is the strongest support? Point C or point E? Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F lah. I give you another one is F. Okay. Okay, now before I talk about F, I'm only talking about between C and E. Which one is the strongest reversal point and which one is more significant? This is my question first. And which one can become your strong support? Okay. Right. Okay. Only C and E. Which one? Right. Your answer E. Yes. Try first. Try first. Try. Yes. Trying is better. Which one? Answer C or E? Okay. All right. So the answer is C. C is the strongest here. And you can label this one as your strong support directly. Okay. C is the strongest. Why? Why C? First of all, it's very significant. You see the price drop here and boom. Okay, it moved. Okay, it moved directly up. So that means there's a buying interest or buying pressure pushing the price up. Okay. Secondly, the distance between C to the current price, the distance between A to the current price is nearer. You understand or not? You see the distance between C to the current price is nearer. Okay, you tengok titik C ni berbanding dengan current price ataupun titik harga semasa ni, dia hampir, is near. Okay, first it's significant, dia sangat kuat. Second, is near. Okay, so the point C is the quite strong support here. So this one can become your S, support, Aras Sokongan. Now, my question is, can the point E and the point F can become a support too compared to the current price right now? Can or cannot? Boleh tak titik E dan F menjadi aras-aras kecil ataupun aras-aras halus untuk kawasan support ataupun kawasan sokongan? Boleh ke tak boleh? Yes, can? I want to know, can or cannot? Boleh ke tak boleh? Alright, what's the answer? Alright, so jawapan dia yes. So you can do this. E can become a support. F also can become a support. Alright, so far so good. Okay, I give you all one more example. Okay, I give you all one more idea. Okay, so this is the current price. Okay, sorry. Okay, I give you one more task. Okay, kita buat satu lagi example. Okay, current price. Okay. Okay, point A, point B, point C, sorry, point C, point D. Okay, my question, to the nearest current price, okay, to the nearest current price, which one is the strongest support to the nearest price? Soalan saya, Zon. Jika harga semasa ialah seperti berikut, kawasan mana yang terhampir untuk dijadikan zon? Kawasan Aras Sokongan yang kuat. Titik mana satu? A, B, C ataupun D? Which one? Okay. Support. Strongest support to the nearest current price. Which one? Okay, correct. The answer is C. Good job, guys. Why? Is the nearest to the current price and significant. Which one is the strongest resistance near to this current price and can be marked as a strong resistance? Point A, B, C, or D? Which one, guys? Which one? Can anybody tell me? Which one can be a strong resistant? Kawasan mana boleh dijadikan sebagai rintangan yang agak kuat? Okay. Which one? Correct. The answer is A. A can become the strongest resistance. Why? First of all, okay, sorry. First of all, the price reverse like this. Very significant, strong. Next thing is near to the current price. Automatically, you can mark this as your strong resistance. Okay, strong resistance. Now, we're going to have a look on the real chart. Are you guys ready or not? Okay, now, first of all, if I ask you a question here, okay, now look, this is Euro US dollar, okay, Euro US dollar, okay, Euro US dollar on the daily chart, okay, daily chart, all right. So now I'm going to do a label here, okay, okay, sorry, I'm going to do this one. Okay. So I'm going to label A. Okay, I'm going to label A here. Okay, I'm going to do this point. So, okay, sorry. Okay, I'm going to mark here. I'm going to do this marking here. This is point A. Okay, and then we have a point B, quite significant as well. Okay, so I'm just going to label this as B. Okay, B. Okay, and then another one here, C. Okay. All right. You guys can see my charts? I hope you guys can see my chart, yeah? Okay, I just put it strong one. Okay. You guys can see? So we have why I choose this area here, you see? Okay, this is the current price. Okay, you see this price went here, drop quite deep. Okay, from this current price here, you see the price move to this level here, and then after that, it has a significant move like this. Drop a little bit significant, something like this. Okay, okay, and then it went here, and then right after the price went to the level like this. Okay, to the B point here, and then it highest it touch here. Okay, and then it's when it's down is here. C, okay, and then like this. Okay, how many of you can see my chart here? So this is what I do first. Okay, now as a trader, you need to see the movement. Okay, and then you need to begin with the higher time frame. Okay, now I'm just giving example. I start with the daily, which is quite high also. Okay, let's begin with the daily. Assume that I'm going to use a daily here to look at this chart. Now, my question is, okay, just use your eyes from this current price here. My question is, which one is the nearest support? Okay, which one is the nearest support right here? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, which one is the nearest support? Point A, B, or C? A, B, or C? Okay, just marking here first. Okay, which one? A, B, or C? Melalui harga semasa ni, dari harga semasa ni, manakah aras yang terhampir sebagai aras sokongan? Which area that you think is the nearest support? Nearest support. Okay, guys, I'm not talking about confluence yet. I'm talking about learn how to identify the nearest first. Nearest. Okay, so when every time we talk about the nearest support is always at the low point, always at the bottom. Okay, the area that you see a significant rebound. Yes, so the answer is A can become your nearest support level. Now the question is how you do the zoning. Okay, yes, true, you can use A as your nearest support because in this area you can see the bouncing is quite clear here. Okay, technically yes, technically yes. So the question is how you want to do this zone, the zone of support. Okay, so the answer is this one. How many of you can see this is a very long tail here? Okay, this long tail here, right? Now, what you can do here in this zone is you can take from the body to the tail here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so you can take the body here from the body of the candle until the area of the until the area of the tail. Okay, then from this area here you drag to the right hand side. Okay, this is how you do your support zone. Is it clear or not, my friend? Okay, so the tail, kawasan shadow tu yang dia melantun tu, you boleh ambil daripada badan tu sampai ke bawah ukur paling bawah punya ekor. Okay, dekat bawah, you buat zoning ni, you gunakan this one. Okay, draw rectangle. You tengok you punya Carta, you check your charting software. So those who using MT4, you can add in this rectangle. Okay, now in my program, I did share with you all how to do this, right? Okay, so how to customize in my program, in my UFP Go member, I share with all of you about this. Okay, now, first of all, in the point A, you do this daily punya zone. Okay, support level. Is it clear or not? Okay, berapa ramai clear? Type dekat Facebook comment. Yes, sir, it's clear. Okay, berapa ramai yang clear ni? So far clear? If clear, type dekat Facebook comment. Clear, sir. Ni nak ajar ni. You kena buat zone dahulu. This is the support zone. Okay, support zone. Support. Okay. Clear? Alright. Very good. Okay, very good. Next thing, my question is, do you need to do the point B and C level as well as a support? Yes or no? Perlu tak you marking zone dekat titik lantunan B dan C sebagai zone-zone support yang seterusnya? Yes or no? Okay, perlu tak sebagai trader ni titik lantunan B dan C, perlu tak you buat zoning as another support level? Okay, perlu tak you buat zone-zone ni sebagai kawasan sokongan dekat kawasan B dan kawasan C? Yes, so your duty as a trader, yes, you need to do that. Okay, same. You take this body here, okay, the long shadow here, okay, and then you drag directly to the right hand side like this. Okay, yeah, there you go. It's become your next support level. Same go with this. Okay, now you see this area here. Okay, this area here is quite significant. Yeah, you see this area is like from this bottom here. Okay, you see this bottom here. Of course, you can see this is a long tail, but I want you to see around this area here. There's a body here touching also in this zone. 1, 2, 3. You can see or not? Okay. Most of you thinking like this, right? No, not like this. You have to look also around in this area, which is the body also stuck, as if like touching almost the same area. You see the body is stuck.
Okay, you tengok dekat Aras ni, bukan you terus tarik macam ni. Sambil you tarik macam ni, you kena tengok kawasan Aras ni, mana kawasan yang badan candle tu sangkut dekat sini. Agak-agak dekat kawasan ni lah. So, bila you tengok macam ni dengan mata kasar, okay, if you look here, using your naked eyes, around this zone here, yes, this one can become your next support and resistance. So, I combine, okay, with this tail here. Okay, sorry. Okay, I delete this one first. Okay, so you see, point B from this level, I drag like this. Okay, so it become another supports. Now, for the point C here, you can see, of course, this one is a big one, right? But before you drag just like that, the correct way to do the zone is actually to check first which area you see the body touch few times. Okay, so you can see here at least in this area got 2, approximately got 1, got 2. So you can take the shadow here plus this body and you can create this one as a zone of support. Okay, zone of support. Okay, so you see the way how I level the support in the A section, B section, and C section. Okay, okay, this is Aras support. Okay, kita ada 3 support, support A, support B, support C. Okay, now only the support C I do a bit different. You guys can see or not? Okay, even though I see this a long tail here, but I'm checking around this area which level that the body is also stuck, sangkut in this area. So I'm going to take this level here as my support. Okay, now how many of you so far A, B, C clear? If clear, just type at the Facebook comment, yes sir, clear. Okay, guys, if you do this properly, I'm telling you, you are going to be a very, very good trader. So as a newbie, always look to the current price and find where is the nearest first, the nearest support and resistance. Okay, so far clear? Good. Okay, all this support level here, this is what we call all the rejection zone. Okay, so why you need to do this is because you need to see maybe possible the price touch the support, it can rebound or break down. Remember the 6 possible outcome. That is what gonna be in your mind. Okay, siapa masih ingat 6 kemungkinan yang boleh berlaku di kawasan 6 kemungkinan yang boleh berlaku di kawasan resistance dan support. Okay, jika di bahagian support ada 3 cerita lah, dekat kawasan resistance ada 3 cerita. Okay, is it clear? All right. Now my question to all of you, when you do support and resistance, do you need to be, excuse me, do you need to be very, very precise on your drawing charts, or all this drawing here just approximately? Okay, bila you lukis kawasan support resistance, perlu tak you menjadi seorang yang betul-betul perfect? Perlu setiap inci ni mesti tepat, ataupun semua lukisan ni agak-agak pun boleh? Okay, apakah jawapan yang betul? When you want to do chartings and drawing, where the area that you're going to draw, the level of support and resistance, do you need to be 100%, must be precise in all point, or everything that you draw is all approximately only? Agak. So which one is the correct answer, you think? Okay, approximate, or roughly, or plus minus, or everything must be sharp? Okay, now I want to you all get this idea first, as a trader, because if you get this correct, I can tell that you can become a good trader. So what do you think? Okay, bila nak buat kawasan support resistance ni, perlu tak mesti mau tune setiap inci pun you ukur, ataupun agak-agak? Yes, okay. Now, I want you all to get this clear. No matter what you do trend lines ka, you do support you do resistance lah, you do downtrend, whatever you do, everything is only plus minus, agak-agak only. So don't one day you blame, sir, I don't get it because I only few degree I change. Wow, my drawing is not correct. Okay, so remember, in trading, is an arts, It's not purely science. Dalam trading ni bukan semua nak kira semua perincian dengan betul, dengan tepat. No. Semuanya ialah agak-agak. only. Okay. Budiman say chun chun leng leng. Okay. Now, next question is around this area here. Okay. Now you see here, this is the current price. Okay, I'm going to do a label here. I want you to see. I'm going to do a label here. I'm going to do a label A. Sorry, I'm going to do label 1. Okay, around this area, I'm going to put it white. Okay, put it big lah. Okay, I'm going to put label 1 here. How many of you can see? Label 1. Okay, label 1. This is the high, and then after that, I put label 2. Okay, around this area. Okay, this is another significant high. Okay, and then I'm going to put level 3 here. Okay, level 3 in this corner. Sorry, level 3. Okay, in this area. Okay, now I have a question to you all. Hopefully you can see my charts. Yeah, hopefully you can see my charts. Oops, sorry, the level did not follow. Okay, so you can see I put a level 1, 2, and 3. Now this is the current price movement right now. Now, if I say about the point 1, 2, and 3, do you think which one is the significant and the nearest to the current price? 1, 2, or 3? Which one? Bila saya Ezone sebut mengenai harga semasa ni, titik mana yang menjadi titik resisten yang terhampir dengan harga yang terkini? Which one? Level 1, 2 ataupun 3? Which one is the nearest resistance? 1, 2, or 3? Tricky question, right? Tapi which one lah? Okay, I can see a very mixture answer. Titik 1, 2 dengan 3. Okay, current price dekat sini. Okay, I'm leveling. This is the current price right now. Okay, so which one? All right. Try. Okay, I'm putting this zone. I'm putting this zone right here. This is the crosshair. This is the current price. So I have level 1, 2, but I have level 3. A bit far right there. Okay, saya zone letak level 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the current price right now. Manakah kawasan resistance yang terhampir? Okay, so the correct answer is 3. Why? Jawapan dia kira 3, betul. Why? Why 1 and 2 is not nearest resistance? Because the current price already moved above this number 1 and 2. This one cannot be resistant already. Okay. Sekarang ni harga dah lebih. Ingat resistance sentiasa di atas harga semasa. Jadi dekat zone sini, manakah kawasan yang tertinggi? 1 tak boleh, 2 tak boleh, 3 lah. So automatically here, the level 3 here, you're going to do the zone. That way, it's become automatically your resistance. Okay, those who get the answer 3 is correct. Congratulations. Okay, betul. Jawapan yang ketiga tu betul. Alright. So you're going to take this top area here. Okay, and then you can use you can use this body here. Okay, and then from this body here, yes, you're going to drag here and do the entire marking. Okay, so you do the entire marking like this. Okay, now this is what we call the resistance level here. So since it's you can change this color, yeah. So if you don't like this color to become resistant, you can change this color. Maybe you think that you want to put maybe slightly pink. So maybe blue become your support. You like this one to become your resistant. Now, okay. Hold on, guys. Okay, I'm doing this, yeah. Okay, so I just put all this level away first. Okay, I'm going to do one more time. I take from this top right here to the body, and I'm going to drag it towards the end. Okay, now how many of you can see here right now, Euro US dollar is really entering into the most significant resistance? Yes or no? Berapa ramai sekarang boleh lihat dekat kawasan ni, Euro US dollar, daily chart, sekarang dah betul-betul capai dekat resistance yang betul-betul solid. How many of you can see this? Yes or no? Okay, just draw this. Okay, change this one first to blue because this is my supports. Okay, now how many of you can see? Yes or not? If you can see, just type the yes, sir. I can see. Okay. Now you see, dia betul-betul masuk dalam zone. It's really at this resistance zone here. Okay, can see, right? Okay, my question to all of you. How many of you can predict what happened in this resistance? Agak-agak lah. Apakah yang mungkin akan berlaku bila harga touch dekat kawasan resistance? Boleh tak share dengan saya, Ezone? 3 kemungkinan yang mungkin boleh berlaku dekat kawasan resistance ni. Yalah, dia tengah drive kan, tengok. Dia dah hampir ni. Almost now already entering the most strongest resistance right now and almost touch to the most important zone here to almost end already this zone. But there will be 3 outcomes here that the price can happen in this resistance. Okay, so what the outcome can be? Okay, what can be? Okay, all right. So today I'm not talking about the confluence level yet. I'm just talking about the this zone here. Okay. Now, if you drag it a little bit here, you can see this body touch few times here. Now, this price right now touching to the most toughest, biggest, bolder, solid resistance here. But tell me, guys, what happened? You think can happen? 3 story can happen in resistance. I want you to all recall that. 3 benda yang mungkin boleh berlaku dekat kawasan resistance. Apakah cerita-cerita yang boleh berlaku? 3 situasi. Type dekat Facebook comment. What you be? Alright. So Bob Adzam said possible breakthrough. Okay. Possible breakout. Possible pullback for Zulkarnain. Boleh. Sally Ng, if break resistance, go up. If not, go down. Correct. Okay, Angelina Bungan, wait another candle to break it. Correct, very good. Budiman, break resistance, possible, correct. So Roland Ronaldo say breakout, sideways, pullback, pun boleh. Anything can happen. All right. Edmund on, breakout, pullback, fake out, good. Very good, Edmund. Okay. Mami Evan say breakout, reverse, or can be fake out. Yes. Okay, now, so you see, your duty as a trader, everything can be possible, right? You think it's going to be breakout, what you need to do to confirm the breakout? That's the question number 1. If you want to wait breakout, what you need to do to confirm the breakout? Second, if you think you want to wait for the pullback, how you want to wait for the pullback? That's the question. Third, if you think that this is going to be a fake out or it's going to be the bull trap, how? Now, in every decision that you're going to do, you need to have you need to understand there's always a risk. Understand that, right? There's always a risk. Okay, always a risk. Anything can happen. Okay, now in trading, if it is successful, that is your great chance. But if it is fail, you need to cut loss. Okay, sebagai seorang trader, 3 kemungkinan pun boleh jadi. Okay, setiap pilihan yang you buat, semuanya pun ada dia punya risiko masing-masing. Dan ini yang membuatkan setiap trader berbeza dengan satu dengan lain. Remember guys, you cannot be perfect all the time. Do you think this is going to be fake out? Do you think it's going to be break? There's only a few things that can help you to confirm this. Okay, there's only a few things that can help you to confirm this. Okay, number 1, let's begin right here. Talk about breakout. When you're talking about breakout, the most important part here, as a trader, you need to wait the candle, green color here, to really break above. Okay, break above this resistance zone. And most important part is, what is that, guys? Most important part is, most important part is the price must really close firmly above the resistance. Okay, bila you nak tunggu breakout, contoh you are breakout trader, you really want the price to break out. The only way that you need to confirm this breakout is the price must be close solid above. You nak harga ni betul-betul ditutup kemas di atas resistance. Barulah you boleh sebut ini adalah confirmation breakout. Okay, now it's a big question whether this breakout need a volume. Okay, if I add volume right here a little bit, okay, in forex, okay, forex chart. Okay, now for me personally, Okay, in a forex chart, right? The volume is a little bit tricky here. Okay, the volume in the forex market here a little bit tricky. Okay, but yes, you can say that, sir. If the breakout here with the high volume, is it considered a good breakout? Technically, yes. Or the open interest with the breakout, is it good? The answer is yes. Okay, but for me personally, in forex, the price is always move first. Okay, the volume is a little bit like, but for stock market, yes, volume is very important. Okay, dekat saham, siapa trading saham, breakout diikuti dengan volume memang penting. Tapi untuk forex boleh, technically okay, tapi dia 50-50. Forex dia 50-50. Dia nak breakout volume kecil pun dia jalan juga. Okay, so breakout body must above resistance and must solid. This is called breakout. Now trader, you can trade it and then use your stop loss. Okay, use your stop loss. So here, those who use a breakout, where is your stop loss? Okay, if you have using a daily chart, right, your stop loss need to be bigger. Okay, if you use a daily chart, your stop loss is going to be bigger. You're going to use the lower zone here to cut loss. Okay, yes, technically you can use this lower zone here to cut loss. Okay, now for the pullback trader, okay, maybe they don't want the price to be in this zone like this first. They like the price to break out, but they like the price to break out with a retest. Okay, they like the price to break out with a retest zone. Means breakout first, they don't chase. They don't want this to chase. They wait the price to touch back this zone here. Okay, and slowly show a small reverse like this. Okay. How many of you can see this? Okay, if I zoom a little bit here. Okay. Okay, so this is the zone here. How many of you can see, right? So let me zoom a bit. Okay, so some trader, they like to wait until this price do a pullback. Okay, they only they trade. Now everything that you do a breakout, have a risk. Okay, if jadi, that's your day. Okay, if fell, remember, even if fell, where you cut loss here, below the support. Technically, you can use. Okay, don't exactly here, put a little bit space here. Okay, now if you have a bigger risk appetite, you can use the nearest support here. Okay, if you have a bigger risk appetite, means you can handle up to 150 pips. Okay, if you swing your position trader, 150 pip is nothing for you. Okay, but some of you cannot afford to lose 150 pips. Okay, can. So that's mean you can use this area right here to cut loss if you are swing trader. Okay, now if I get a chance, I would like to talk about those who intraday and scalper. Okay, that one will be a different concept, how you see the chart. Now, for those who trading the fake out, okay, you say that, oh, maybe this price is not going to what? It's not going to rebound. Instead, it's going to create fake out. Possible? The answer is yes. Okay, so boleh tak trap berlaku? Jawapan dia boleh. Okay, trap boleh berlaku. Okay, trap can happen here. This on. Okay, hold on. Okay, all right. Change this color here to pink. Okay, so for those who waiting for the fake out, the answer is you need to wait really the price close below back the resistance. That's called the the bull trap. Okay, the bull trap means the price go down here. Okay, if this bull trap happen, the price really close firmly here. Okay, technically you can enter and sell short. Okay, how many of you understand that anything can happen here? Okay, now breakout, you enter aggressively. If you enter the pullback, you wait until the price retest this resistance and let the resistance turn into support. So that's why some of them they call it RBS. Okay, resistance become support. Okay, so far up to this level here, how many of you clear? Okay, berapa ramai belajar dekat sini? 3 kemungkinan boleh berlaku. Boleh breakout, dia boleh test semula. Okay, you boleh masuk dekat pullback di mana harga naik dulu, kemudian dia berehat dan kawasan resisten ni akan dijadikan sebagai support, baru you masuk, ataupun mungkin boleh berlaku perangkap bull. Okay, bila berlaku perangkap bull, tunggu sehingga harga masuk dalam zone semula dekat sini. Baru you sell short. How many of you clear? No matter what decision that you do, 3 of these decisions also have a risk on its own. You cannot win all the time. You need to make firm decision. Okay, you need to make a firm decision. You can be a breakout trader, you can be a pullback trader, you can be a fake, or you call it the bull trap trader. Whatever decision that you do, all have potential and all have a risk. Now, anything can happen. Anybody can tell me, do you think this pullback is going to happen? Nobody know. Do you think that this is going to happen, a breakout? Nobody know. Do you think this is going to break out the further? Yes, it's going to break out, but nobody know. The only way that you can firmly tell is going to happen until you see the price really, really happen. Then you can say, okay, possible the price is already pulled back. Oh, possible the price is really fly and break out and no pullback. Oh, there's no breakout fell. Then it's going to be happen bull trap. Okay. How many of you clear here? Tiga keputusan tak kira. You're not trading breakout. Ada ganjaran, ada risiko. You nak tunggu dekat pullback. Boleh. Ada ganjaran, ada risiko. You nak tunggu singgah bull trap pun boleh. Tapi setiap keputusan yang you buat pun ada risiko. Contoh, you buat bull trap. Tiba-tiba bull trap tak jadi. Price harga naik atas. Anything can happen. But whatever decision that you do, risk is always there. Okay? Risk is always there. Risiko sentiasa ada. Okay. Now, guys, it's already almost 10 right here. Actually, I'm already exceeded to my time. How many of you guys learned something here? Okay. Actually, I want to continue more. Actually, more awesome stuff right here. But I'm just discuss section by section. Okay. How many of you learned something here? Berapa ramai belajar sesuatu dekat sini? So far, so good? Clear? Now, I have a big problem also. I'm not sure whether I do got the time to do part number 6. Okay, I need to check my schedule. This week is a little bit busy. Okay, let me check my schedule. But again, if I want to do, like as I mentioned, if I want to do like part number 6 or part number 5 or whatsoever, normally I will tell a bit early. So it's very important for those who are very new and the first time you see me, it's very important for you to follow me. And it's very important for you to like my Facebook page as well. All right, today I have another announcement before I want to share with all of you something here. It's quite interesting. All right, so I want to share with all of you here. Okay. Yes, I have a good news today, guys. Today is the final day for our UFP Ultimate Forex Program, the Gold Membership. The Black Friday promotion, it will be end today, another 2 hours right here. And those who want to grab this promotion right here, yes, today is the final day. Hari ini hari terakhir untuk you all yang berminat nak dapatkan UFP Gold Membership untuk trading Forex. Dapatkan hari ini sebab kenapa? 40% promotion right here dan hari ini adalah hari yang terakhir. Siapa yang dapat hari ini? Tanya. Hari ini ialah promosi yang terakhir untuk Black Friday. All right, so guys, on behalf of Quant Solution right here and also the Ultimate Forex Program, I would like to say thank you very much for all of you. I hope that you learned something right here. Don't forget to click like, comment right here and share this show right here. Jika you belajar sesuatu dalam program ni, jangan lupa share show ni. Okay, dan untuk part yang nombor 6 saya tak pasti lagi bila saya nak buat. Tapi bila saya nak buat, saya akan umum dengan you all. Alright. Siapa dah dapatkan promosi UFP 40%, boleh dapatkan hari ni the last day, 2 hours only. I hope you all learned something right here and I wish you all the best. We keep in touch, guys. Till then, bye-bye.